no value. It's a bubble, and I promise you, and you're right, it could go to 50,000, it could go to 100,000, but I'm certain that at the end of the day, it will end up close to zero.
The greatest scam in history, adding that it's a pump and dump scheme like anything the world has ever seen. You might remember he appeared on our show to discuss that. Now he's back with an even bolder call, saying Bitcoin is headed straight to zero.
I don't think I said it's going to zero. I said it's going to go eventually a whole lot closer to zero than a lot, because there's just no value there.
And I know who's behind Bitcoin. And it ain't some fucking Japanese guy in a cave. I know the guy. And when that comes out, you heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
All right, my people. You know I have to drop one of these videos, innit? You know how it is. It's Befam back in the house again. Ether9 TV coming straight from Londonium, England, Great Britain. You know how we do. Going out to all my Ethereans worldwide on planet Earth and any other planet in the galaxy, right? Now, let's get something straight, people. These clowns, these three guys are clowns. They are first class clowns. The first guy that you saw, he's done a U-turn. He's done a whole 360-degree U-turn. Yeah? Now he's knee deep in Bitcoin. The other two, I ain't too sure about. That's the last one. That's the last I heard of him. The second guy was the former PayPal, dumb as a rock. The third guy, the old guy, I don't know what planet he's on, but this guy claims to know the person that created Bitcoin. Where are they? Where is he? Where is she? Where is it? Bring it on. That was 2018. We're in 2021, nearly halfway. We're still waiting for this guy. He knows who created Bitcoin and is going to zero. What a clown. I mean, look at the PayPal guy, former CEO of PayPal. At that time, Bitcoin was just over $6,000. Oh, it's going to go near enough zero. That was 2018. We're in 2021 now. It's 50 grand. Clowns. Don't listen to these clowns, people. They are there to scare you. They are there to scare the average Joe, the retail trader, investor, scare them out of their position so they will stay broke. Don't fall for these clowns and their games. This is what they do. They don't want you or me or anybody else, the so-called peasants of the world, right? The working class, yeah? They don't want us to get this money. No. Right? So just word of advice, people. Just give them the middle finger and just keep it moving. Don't be strong and just hold on. I know it's been a rocky week. Oh my days. Now, I don't mean W-E-E-K. I mean W-E-A-K. It's weak this week. Bitcoin's been weak this week, people. It's been weak. Oh my days. Oh my gosh. Bitcoin. Look at that. I've got an Ethereum price. Anyway, what we're going to talk about today? Well, we're going to talk about a few tips to help you stay ahead of the game in this place, people. Serious, man. It's no joke. It's no joke. You got to get the info so you can stay ahead of the crowd, of the game, people, right? So you don't sell your crypto under some stupid misinformation that scares your butt and you sell on a low, at a loss. I don't want you to do that. I need you to sell at a high, at a profit, right? And if you do sell at a loss, it's only a minor loss, right? It's not even a loss, right? It's a minor. Anyway, please don't listen to these clowns, as I said anyway. Right. Why? The market has been dipping, people. Let's get it real here now. It's been dipping. The last video I done, Bitcoin had a little paper cut. All right. Right now, Bitcoin's got multiple cuts right now. But in the big scheme of things, it's only a little pullback, people. It's only a little pullback. I hope. I'm only joking, right? Let's go to the charts of Bitcoin. Let's have a look. It's looking ugly, people. This is a weekly chart, right? And I've got to say, people, we might be going a bit more down from here right now, right? It's around 50,000 on this chart. It's saying 49,000, right? People, it seems we might be heading a bit lower. In fact, let me go to trading view, right? Because sometimes on Coin Charts Pro, it gives up different charts from different exchanges. So let's go to trading view. Let's bring up the Binance chart, right? Or the Coinbase BTC to USD chart and see what's going on up sideways. Because yeah, it's been a rocky road, people. How you people doing anyway out there? I hope you had a great strong week. Or great week strong, however you want to put it. Anyway, here we are. This is BTC to USD on Coinbase. This is Coinbase chart, people, because every platform, the prices maybe in the charts may be slightly different because it's different. It's a different platform, right? They're not, every exchange does not have the exact price as its sister exchange or brother exchange. It doesn't have it. No. It doesn't work that way, people. There are slight differences, very slight differences, right? Sometimes more, sometimes less. That's where arbitrage comes into play. For those who like to do arbitrage, that's another story. Anyway, that's another video. Anyway, Bitcoin is looking weak, people. I'm being real. Befams, I'm being honest right now. This is a 4-hour chart. It's broken my trend line, as you can see. This blue line I had there. It's broke that. It's broken. That means right now, for the short term, not the long term, people, we are heading into a little bit of a pullback. Just a cool off, because Bitcoin has been on a tear for 6 months. It's been going up on the monthly chart. It's been going up, people. So to be expected, you need a little cool off. Remember the video I done before, the one before that? Right. Range expansion leads to what? Range contraction. That's what it is. Or a swing to the left equals a swing to the right, like a grandfather clock. You know those old time clocks, tick tock, tick, the pendulum swing. If it swings to the right, it's gonna swing to the left. Vice versa. It's balancement. It's just balancement, people. So you can't get a big move up without coming down afterwards. It just doesn't happen. This is the way markets work, right? This is the way human psychology works as well. You're not happy all the time, are you? No. Sometimes you're depressed. You're down. You're sad, right? And then to flip it, you get back to happy, joyous. It's emotions. It's energy in motion, people. That's what you're seeing on these charts. Energy in motion. That's it. Simple. So going by this daily chart of Bitcoin, to be honest, my people, I'm gonna say I'm putting it out there right now. Oh my days. There's a possibility. There's a possibility we could see 40,000 Bitcoin. Right. Next stage, right, is going to be around. Next support is around 45. Around 45. Right. Now, support and resistance. For those people who don't know what support and resistance is, let me just give a quick overview of what support and resistance is. Right. This is a weekly chart. Oh my days. Before I go into that, this indicator here is the MACD. Right. When you see this blue line cross over this orange line or red line, right? Once you see that cross, people, I'm afraid it looks like it's going to cross. And this is a lagging indicator. This is not in real time. This is a lagging indicator. Just like your indicator on your car to turn left or right. These are how you use these indicators. It just gives you a helping hand to say what direction the market is going in at the present moment in time. But as I said, it's a lagging indicator. It's not real time. Real time is when you're looking at the daily, the 4-hour. That's real price action. That's real price action there, people. And I just look at that a lot. I only use the MACD and RSI. That's all I really use, and maybe a little trend line here and there and support and resistance. But that's it. But right now, we are looking to cross. This looks like it's going to cross right now. And judging by this candle, this weekly candle, there looks like there's going to be a little bit more of some downside in Bitcoin's price. So, for all those people who didn't buy a Bitcoin yet, right? Or you're looking to buy some cheap Bitcoin, this is the time. This is the time, people, right? This is the time for sure. So, support, right? If we go back in time to February, you can see, right, with these two candles, it stopped off, the bottom of it is around 45,000. That is what you call support, right? Support. If it breaks that, next level is around here, around 40, 39, 40, right? This is what you call support levels, right, people? Now, you can just Google this, support and resistance, YouTube it, Google it, DuckDuckGo it, whatever platform you use to do your research, just do it, right? And read up about support and resistance. It will help you in your trading and investment strategies, all right? So, don't be afraid. This is what happens in markets. You can't expect things to go up forever, right? We've had a great run on Bitcoin. Who can deny that? From 10 grand to 60 grand plus for the past 6 months, it's been just runaway train, a few little dips here and there. But hey, this is the reality, people. This is the reality. Now, as I said, this has broken my trend line, right? It really has broken my trend line in a big way. As you can see, I had this line going up in here. Every time Bitcoin came down, it touched it and it bounced back up. It touched it and it bounced back up. But now it has completely broken that trend line. So me personally, I'm looking for some more downtime. You know, like, I don't know if for all those people who are old enough, well, I think it still comes on TV, right? But there was this program, this game show back in the day called The Price is Right. And they will call people from the audience and they will come down screaming, I got called, my name got called, The Price is Right. Well, right now, The Price is Right. Come on down, Bitcoin. Come on down. Come on right down, because I want to buy you for cheap, right? So clap your hands, people. Yeah, be happy. Be happy. Now, I know some of you may be saying, this guy's crazy. Why should I be happy with the prices coming down? Right? My portfolio is looking like a jerk. It's dead. It's bleeding. Right? Out of the crevices, out of every hole, it's just bleeding. I bought high, and now prices are down. I bought, look, I feel your pain. I bought Litecoin the other day at 260 or 270. Right now it's down. But I don't care. I don't care. I don't give a two hoots, people. I really don't care. Why? Because I'm in this for the long term. I told you from the beginning, Befam is not no get rich quick scheme, fella. If you want that, go and look elsewhere, please. Go look elsewhere, right? If you want that, go and look elsewhere. There's other YouTubers out there who get rich quick. Go ahead. Go ahead. On me. I ain't into that. Not saying you can't get money quick in this game, but hear what? You ain't going nowhere. So what you want to get rich quick for? Get wealthy slowly, for surely. That's the way to do it. All right, get money every day, innit? Every day, no matter how little or how much, just get it in every day, consistently. Once you got consistent money coming in every day, it ain't about getting rich quick. Why? You're getting money every day, and that's what you're dealing with in this crypto thing. Learn as you earn. Treat this thing like a degree, right? You're at college, you're at university, you're at school, you're at kindergarten, whatever. Just treat it like study, learn, and earn. Don't be like those punks out there who think they can, just come into this market and make a quick money and just bounce. Hey, it happens for some. Great. Congratulations, right? But for the majority of you, take your friggin' time, man. There's no rush, right? You need at least 4 years in this game. I'm telling you right now, you need at least 4 years, give or take, depending where you start, to experience a full bear market and a full bull market. Once you've gone through a bull market and a bear market fully, you're going to be so equipped for the next round, right? For the next bull market, for the next bear market. You're going to be you're going to have so much jewels in your bag, right? You won't even flinch. You're going to be like staunch. When the storm is blowing, you're just standing chilling. When everyone's panicking, you're just standing chilling. Because right now, people are panicking right now. I know some of you are panicking right now. Definitely some of you are panicking. But Befam is here to reassure you everything is calm, right? Everything is calm. Meditate out. Get zened out. Get ohmed out right now. Chill. Please. Right. Enough of that. Let's get to some pointers for the day. Now, before I get to that, I need to make a correction. I made a mistake, maybe a few times, I think, but let me correct it. Ethereum. I previously on a few of my videos I said there are 100 million GWE in one Ether. Befam made a mistake. Come on, man. We all make mistakes. Yeah, we're not right all the time. Can't be right all the time. In fact, there's a billion GWE in one Ether, right? So let me just set the record straight. Go to investopedia.com and you can, this is a great site, right? Go and check it out, right? Please. Right, in one Ether, there is 1 billion GWE, right, people? And GWE is short for gigaWE. 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 Right? Hey. Right? So that's just that, people. So I'm sorry for those people that I said there's 100 million GWE in one Ether. No, it's 1 billion. It's 1 billion. There's 100 million Satoshis in one Bitcoin, but in Ether, there's 1 billion. So keep stacking your GWE, people. Keep stacking your GWE. Because you know about ETH. I mean, look at it. 10 to the power of 9. Woo! Ether9 TV, baby. Ether9 TV. I know. Some of you have to say, this guy is absolutely out of his nuts. I know. I got to be out of my nuts to come to this planet. Anyway. Right. First of all, I wanted to say, token metrics. Big up token metrics, right? Token metrics has just added extra tokens and coins on their platform, people. Right now, we've got 50 different cryptocurrencies to go and research. And oh my days. Look at this. It's giving us 50 now. When previously it was only 20. There's another 50 they're going to add, hopefully by the end of the month. And anytime you click on, say, let's click on Neo. Let's see the price action of Neo. Let's see what they're going to give us, right? They give you some stats on it right now. Overall, it's poor right now. According to token metrics, we scroll down. This is a low frequency trading strategy indicator for all you token metrics subscribers like myself. It gives you points where it's telling you it's bearish or it's bullish, and it does this on all the tokens that you have on the platform, right? So this is just a basic platform. As I said, there's going to be 100 different coins and tokens, and you can do this with all of them, right? So it's telling you, it's bearish time, bullish time, bearish, bullish. So you can use this in combination with your own knowledge, your own charting skills, etc., to go in and out of these cryptocurrencies and buy and sell. Now, these indicators, they're not going to be 100% correct all the time. That's why you use your own mind, right? Along with the AI that token metrics is bringing forth, right? So you combine that token metrics with your skill set, boom, we got it going on. It's pure money, man, pure money. Jeez. Anyway, token metrics, they have just released their token metrics watch list for all their subscribers, and considering I am one of them, Befam in the house, I'm going to share it with my fellow Ethereans out there that's tuning in to Ether9 TV. Why? Because I like giving as much value as I can to my listeners that are listening to this channel. Right. So, as you can see, this watch list is talking about Oasis Protocol, Alio, Mist, Injective Protocol, Foam Protocol. Now, disclaimer, I ain't got none of these cryptos in my portfolio, right? I still have to go and look into these myself. So, I'm just giving you guys a heads up. If you're looking for some gems, you may want to consider these 5 here. And let me scroll down for you so you can have a quick read, right? You can stop and pause the video in your own time. There we go. I'm doing it nice and slow for you guys, right? So you get the information. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm not going to go into any details about these cryptocurrencies, not in this video. You can do that of your own accord, right? There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go down to Mist, right? As I said, you can pause the video and read up about it, and then go into their telegrams, their social media channels, ask any questions, read their white paper on their website. Just do a deep dive, people, right? Do your due diligence, because the only person you have to rely on is yourself, not me or anybody else, right? You are the boss, right? All right, that's that. Right, so let Befam give you a few tips for any of you guys or ladies that their portfolio is bleeding out of its crevices right now. You know, my portfolio is bleeding a little bit, but you know what? I took some profit along the way, right? For the past few months, the market's been going up. So what do? You take profit. You take profit. You take profit constantly. So when it pulls back like this, you got some money in the reserves to buy out some cheap crypto. But don't try to catch a falling knife. What does BFAM mean by that? All right, let's go back to this chart. Let's go up to Bitcoin and USD. Let's go up to the 4 hour. Right now, it's okay. It's a possibility that it's bottomed out here, right? It's a possibility. So, if you're looking to buy some Bitcoin at these levels, and you got 10,000, 20,000, 50 grand, 100 grand, 200 grand, whatever, on the sidelines, 100 quid, 50 quid, 1,000, whatever money you got, split that money up into 3 sections or 4 sections. Buy a little bit now, and wait for a couple of days, or wait till next week and see what happens, right? Or or wait for a couple of days and buy some more with the money you got left. Buy some more again the following week, right? Don't go in all, because the reason why I say that, because this could fall down even more. As I said, it could come down to 45 or even 40. And if you ain't got no money to buy it then, what are you going to do? You're going to be moaning, right? So, if you buy all now and it drops to 40, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Go and get a loan? Yeah, not a bad idea. I'm only joking. Right. But that's a strategy, right? You ease your way in. Don't try to catch a falling knife all the way down and you don't know where. Let these cryptos come, let them puke up, man. And then let them just base out to see where it just bases out, right? When it chills out. And then you start accumulating. Then you start buying in. But as I said, don't put all your money in at that point, at those buying points, right? Don't. Just give it a little while. Give it a little while, because it could drop some more. And if it drops some more, you can buy up some more at even cheaper level. So you're averaging out your overall price. And that's the way you do it. Now, for those people whose portfolios are down, one thing you could do is do nothing. That's right, I said it. Don't do a thing. Sit back and chill. Be patient. Be patient. Because let me tell you something. Being patient in this market will pay you big time. Big time. Why? Because you're taking a long-term viewpoint. Right? Long-term view. And that's the best way. You got to look at the big picture, people. Right? Number 2, you got to look at the big picture. right? Look into the fundamentals. Are there more wallets being opened on the Bitcoin, in Ethereum, or in general, the whole of cryptocurrency, the whole industry? Is it growing? Are more people coming into it? Is there more adoption? Yeah? Hey, if it is, cool. Cool, chill. Because at the end of the day, prices are just, short-term people. The numbers that we should be looking at are how many wallets, right, in the crypto universe. How many more wallets in the crypto universe? Are those wallets increasing day by day, week by week, month by month? If you do that research, you're going to find out, yes, they are. Yes, they surely are. 3, why is it down? Why is the market down? Well, as I told you, people, right? If you go to the chart of Bitcoin and we go to a weekly, no, in fact, let's go to a monthly. Let's go to a monthly. Now, savage. This is just standard behavior, people. Look, 6 months is 6 months. This market has been pumping, and you expect this to pummel? Yo, please behave yourself, man. Behave yourself. It's time to chill out a bit. So as you can see, this month here, red candle, red. And by the way, don't let the candles, the color of these candles, get you distressed. Because supposing it was going down and the color was green, you'd feel a different way. If it was just all green, you'd feel a different way. Supposing it wasn't red. Suppose it was white. Would you feel a different way? Orange, purple, black. Don't let these colors, right? The candle colors, like, influence you, how you feel. I know it's hard for a lot of you, but don't do it, people. Don't do it, right? They're just there to play on your emotions, man. It's just Bitcoin's just taking a break, man. It's just taking a break. It's taking a breather. The mountain is high, isn't it? It's got to climb this heavy mountain, this high mountains. You can't do it in one big breath. So obviously, it's taking a chill out pill. So, why is it down? Because we've been going up for 6 months. So it's got to chill out a bit, right? Risk tolerance. Take a look at your risk tolerance. Are you over risk? Have you put too much money on certain positions that you've bought? If you have, then maybe you want to ease back, right? Ease it back. Check your risk, because everybody has different risk levels. My risk level is different to your risk level. I would take real crazy risk as opposed to somebody else. Like my cousin ain't gonna take no risk like this. He's in the game, but he don't take risk like me. No. Right? Because why? We all are different. We're just different like that. Everyone's not built the same. And that's fine. It's not a problem. So know your risk. Know your boundaries. And just play within those. And you'll be fine. You sleep tight. Right? You won't worry if you over position yourself, or you're playing with too much money, or you're risking money that you can't afford to lose. You're gonna have sleepless nights. You're gonna be, oh my gosh, Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, Cardano's down, I'm losing my money. That ain't the way to do it, people. That's not the way to do it. And if you are doing it, re-strategize your thinking, your position, your playing of this market, right? Rethink it. Please. 5, maybe you can hedge, right? You can hedge against something else. Maybe you can short Bitcoin. Now you can see Bitcoin's going down. If you're that way skilled, you can play with options or derivatives, if you know about those. Or you can hedge into stocks or bonds on it, shares, whatever. Go into that market for a minute. Play with that. Hedge it. Another way you could do is buy up some more of your crypto, the crypto that you've already bought and it's gone down. You bought it at one price. Like, for example, I bought Litecoin at 270 and now it's at 228. What is Befam going to do? Befam's gonna buy some more Litecoin. That's what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna buy me some more Litecoin. Why? Because I like Litecoin. No, because I know I'm gonna make money on Litecoin. That's why. I don't like it. I don't dislike it. I don't like Bitcoin. I don't dislike it. I'm not here for the likes and dislikes. I'm just here to play this game as best I can, right? So I'm gonna buy Litecoin. I'm gonna average in again, and build up my position on Litecoin and get an overall average price. All right. I've been buying Litecoin since it was like 150. I've been buying it before then, but recently I've been buying it when it was 150, 170. So I bought it at 270. Yeah, hey, it's okay. It's okay. But I've been selling some in between that. So it's all right. It's no problem. Anyway, another thing you could do, number 7, you could swap one crypto for another. So if you got a crypto there and you don't think you're fed up of it or whatever reason it ain't doing what you want it to do, and that ties in with being patient sometimes, right? Because you may say, this crypto is not doing its thing. I'm gonna sell it and buy this other crypto, or swap it for another crypto. You can do that. I've done it a few times. I've done it recently with Matrix AI. And then a few weeks later, I done it with Matrix AI when it was about 3 cents, right? And then a few weeks later, it shot up to 15, nearly 20 cents. Hey, shit happens, right? Shit happens, people. That's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. So you could do that, right? Swap your crypto for another crypto, right? And basically, to finish it off, just buy some more crypto, people. Just buy some more crypto. That's why you must always, no matter whether the market is in a bull trend or a downtrend, the bear trend, on the short to medium term, no matter what the market is doing, you must, and I emphasize this, serious, you must always have money on the sidelines. Always, always, always. Some spare money on the sidelines, ready for opportunities like this. When things are bleeding out of all their crevices, I've got to call 999, ambulance. I need a doctor and a nurse to nurse some of these cryptos back to health. That's the way that, and you can't do that if you ain't got no money on the sidelines, people. So make sure you have money on the sidelines ready to buy back in some cheap cryptos and just build up your portfolio once again. So that is just some pointers for my people out there. Nice, quick, short video. Keep it simple. Keep it sweet. I hope it helps you, right? Stack up your crypto. Get this money. This is the biggest wealth transfer that this planet has ever seen in its existence. I'm telling you right now. If you don't believe, that's your problem. That's your prerogative. Wait and see. Wait and see. But all I can say is just hold on tight, people, right? It's just a little dip in the market right now. I've seen it so many times, right? Come this year, October, November, I will be in the market for 4 years, right? So I've seen so many dips. I've seen so much misinformation come out and say Bitcoin's going to this, Bitcoin's a scam. When Ethereum came out back in 2015, 2016, people were calling it a scam. So you really got to do your own due diligence when you hear people talk about certain cryptos and say that crypto's a scam. Don't believe that person. Don't believe Befam. Don't believe nobody. Go and do your own due diligence, right? And look it up for yourself and figure it out for yourself. Don't listen to any YouTuber. No, rely on your own mind. Please, 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 please. I'm on my knees begging. Please, please, please. Rely on yourself. Don't rely on nobody else when it comes to this investing and trading. You are responsible for your own investment and trading stuff. You alone, not me, not nobody else. You're only getting some pointers for myself and others out here. And then you take those pointers, you switch them up in your mind, and you make a calculated decision based on that and based on your own research that you've done. Right? So, in saying that, I gotta love you. I gotta leave you. Don't forget, links in my description. If any of you want to sign up to Token Metrics, I've got a link in my description. You get some type of reward. I can't even recall what you get, but you get something. You get a little kickback. You get a little drink, right? A few dollars, whatever, or a little discount on it, right? So please, you need something like Token Metrics to assist you in your cryptocurrency journey in the forest, in the wild, wild west. This is the best, or one of the best platforms that you can use to aid you in your journey. Token Metrics by Ian Bellina, the best that ever did it, or one of the best that ever did it. Me says so, yeah? Befam, tell him that. Yo, Ian, if you listen to this, Ian, big you up, Ian. Love you to the max, baby. Anyway, don't forget my other links in my videos, all my affiliate links. Check them out. You want the best books on the planet Earth? Talk about all subjects under and over the sun? Dr. Malachi Yorks? Go and check it out, his books, man. Alright? I'm gonna do a few videos on Mr. York. Right? I'm gonna do a few videos on Mr. York for those who want to know. For those who want to know, just a little snippet, right? For those who need to know or want to know, I'm gonna add that in at some stage, right, for you guys and ladies, right? Because I'm telling you right now, the knowledge is much more worthy than the money. Why? Because the knowledge will aid you to get the money. Because if you got the money, you may be as dumb as a rock, right? You might be dumb. That's not good. You need to be smart, right? As well as have the money. So that's where Wu Sabat comes in, right knowledge, the real deal Holyfield. For those people that want it. For those people that don't, that's okay. It's okay. I love you anyway. It's alright. It ain't meant for everybody. It's all jiggy. Right. E9 TV. Thank you for all my new subscribers to the channel. Right. Go and check out my previous videos. Catch up what's going on. I'm giving you pure juice for your bags, right? Spread the word, like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell so when I do a video, you get notified by the powers that be from YouTube to say, yo, Befams done a video, go and check it out, pure juice for the bags, right? So make sure you do that. Make sure after you watch this video, go outside, knock on your next door neighbor's door and say, yo, Befam said, go and check out his channel, E9 TV. It's all about cryptocurrency and blockchain and other things, right? It's the biggest wealth transfer in the history of this planet. So go and do it right now and tell them to go and tell a friend as well, right? All right, my people. Befam, peace, and out.